Good morning YouTube, this is Gaurav Kuntal and today I'm going to show you the chill water piping connections for chillers and various sensors what we use in the piping for chillers. Okay, so I'll start from here, from the piping which is coming from primary pumps to the chiller. Okay, so you can see this line here, this is coming from primary chilled water pumps. First of all, we use here this isolation valve. Right now we are using here is OSNY gate valve for isolation. Second one here is air vent. Third we have here is strainer. Then we have here, this one is thermometer, just to know what is the current temperature in the inlet line for chiller. Second one is pressure gauge, to know what is the current pressure in the inlet line for chiller. Then we have is pressure sensor. This pressure sensor senses the pressure and tells to the BMS. It is connected to the BMS. Then we have here is temperature sensor. This is also connected to the BMS and it shows you what is the current temperature in the inlet of chiller. Then this line, right now currently it is bypassed for the flushing purpose, but it has to be connected later on to this opening of the evaporator. Okay, later on this opening will be connected to this piping after flushing. Okay, so in this piping, first of all we have this flow switch. This flow switch is connected to the chiller control panel. It confirms whether the flow is there or not. If the flow is not there, the chiller will not start. This confirms. Then second one we have here is a pressure sensor, same like this one. This pressure sensor is also connected to BMS. Then we have this thermometer. It tells you the temperature of the outlet, what temperature is there of chilled water we are getting from the chiller. Then we have another flow switch. This flow switch is connected to the BMS just to show whether the flow is there or not. Then we have here pressure gauge. Then again we have here temperature sensor. Then we have here air vent. Now this line is going from here, if you see it is coming down, and we have here DRV, double regulating valve. This is to control the flow of the chiller, what we have in the design. Suppose if we have 45 liters per second or something like that, whatever we have we can control with this DRV. Now this line is going to the system, okay, or to the load. So that's all we have here for chilled water connections. Okay, if you have any queries you can contact me or comments below down. Thank you.